Answer are present at the end of video, so watch video till end and get answer of these questions, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Chemistry Nails. Thank you. 1. Bodies which fall freely under the action of gravity is an example of ETA 2011-26 Eng. A. Uniform acceleration. B. Variable acceleration. C. Uniform velocity. D. Average acceleration. 2. Newton's second law of motion establishes relationship between ETA 2010-101 med. A. Force and acceleration. B. Mass and force. C. Mass and velocity. D. Acceleration and mass. 3. Two blocks of masses 1.0 kilograms and 3.0 kilograms placed in contact are acted upon by a force of 40 N. The acceleration of 1.0 kilograms mass will be ETA 2012-145 med. A. 40 meters sec squared. B. 10 meters sec squared. C. 30 meters sec squared. D. 50 meters sec squared. 4. The property of moving object by virtue of which it offers force on the object that tries to stop it is ETA 2011-35 med. A. Inertia of the body. B. Quantity of motion of body. C. Acceleration of body. D. All of these. 5. A mass accelerates uniformly when the resultant force acting on it is ETA 2016-180 med. A. 0. B. Constant but not 0. C. Increases uniformly with time. D. Both A and C. 6. A stone is thrown upward from the top CA equals 59.4 meters high cliff with an upward velocity component of 19.6 meters per second. How long is stone in the air? ETA 2016-93 Eng. A. 8.0 s. B. 5.00 s. C. 6.0 s. D. 7.00 s. 7. A science museum designs an experiment to show the fall of a feather in a vertical glass vacuum tube. Time of fall from rest is close to 0.5 s. What length of tube is required? ETA 2016-71 Eng. A. 1.3 meters. B. 5.0 meters. C. 2.5 meters. D. 10.0 meters. 8. Two objects, P and Q, have the same momentum. Q has more kinetic energy than P if ETA 2016 C. A. Weight more than P. B. Is moving faster than P. C. Weight same as P. D. Is moving slower than P. 9. A 5 kg stone is released from rest and falls towards Earth. Take G equals 9.8 meters per square second. The magnitude of its momentum is A. 98 kgm s. B. 78 kgm s. C. 39 kgm s. D. None of these. 10. Two bodies of unequal mass, placed at rest on a frictionless surface, are acted on by equal horizontal forces for equal times. Just after these forces are removed, the body of greater mass will have A. Greater acceleration. B. Smaller momentum. C. Greater momentum. D. Same momentum as other body. 11. Two bodies of mass 1 and 4 meters are moving with equal kinetic energies. The ratio of their linear momentum will be ETA 2017-97 Eng. A. 1, 4. B. 1, 2. C. 2, 1. D. 4, 1. 12. The kinetic energy of a body of mass 1 kg and momentum 2 Ns is equal to ETA 2017-98 Eng. A. 1J. B. 0J. C. 4J. D. 2J. 13. Two bodies are dropped from different heights H and H. The ratio of the times taken by them to reach ground is Hints. A. B. C. D. 14. A bullet of mass m moving with a velocity versus is fired into a large wooden block of mass m. If bullet remains embedded in wooden block, the velocity of the system will be ETA 2017-136 Eng. A. M m plus m. B. M v m plus m. C. v m plus m. D. M v m m. 15. Two railway trucks of masses m and 3 meters move towards each other in opposite directions with the same velocity versus. These trucks collide and stick together. What is the speed of the trucks after the collision? A. v 4. B. v 2. C. 5 v 4. D. 0. 16. Two objects of different masses falling freely from the same height above the Earth's surface will experience the same A. Change in momentum per unit time. B. Change in velocity per unit time. C. Momentum. D. Increase in momentum and kinetic energy per unit time. 17. The symbol G represents the acceleration of free fall. Which of these statements is correct? ETEA 2012-156 eng. A. G is gravity. B. G is the ratio weight-mass. C. G is the weight of an object. D. G is reduced by air resistance. 18. Elastic collision involves ETEA 2010-21. A. Loss of energy. B. Gain of energy. C. No gain, no loss. D. Both conservation of energy and elastic collision. 19. Which is a statement of the principle of conservation of momentum? ETEA 2014-135 med. A. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. B. Momentum is conserved only in elastic collisions. C. Momentum is conserved by all bodies in a collision. D. Momentum is conserved providing no external forces act. 20. Light and heavy bodies have equal kinetic energies. Which one has the greater momentum? ETEA 2009-87 med. A. Heavy body. B. Light body. C. Both have same momentum. D. None of these. 21. In order to change the momentum of an object, there must be ETEA 2005-78 med. A. Force applied. B. A change in direction. C. A change in distance. D. A change in temperature. 22. The rate of change of momentum of a body falling freely under gravity is equal to its ETEA 2013. A. Momentum. B. Kinetic energy. C. Weight. D. Velocity. 23. The change in momentum of the body is equal to ETEA 2011 eng. A. Force. B. Torque. C. Pressure. D. Impulse. 24. The motion of the rocket in space in accordance to law of conservation of A. Energy. B. Charge. C. Mass. D. Momentum. 25. When constant force F is applied on a body of mass m for a time t, the change in the velocity of the body changes from v to vf. Then the change in momentum during the interval t will be ETEA 2005-24 med. A. MCQv squared. B. Vt. C. Ft. D. At. 26. A particle of mass m moving with a velocity v makes a one-dimensional collision with another particle of mass m which is at rest, and initially at rest. The velocity of first particle after collision is ETEA 2009-124 med. A plus v. B. V. C plus v. D. 0. 27. Newton's second law is ETEA 2015-83 eng. A. Work. B. Angular momentum. C. Impulse. D. Force equals ma. Answer key. 1. A. 2. A. 3. B. 4. D. 5. B. 6. A. 7. A. 8. B. 9. A. 10. C. 11. D. 12. A. 13. C. 14. B. 15. D. 16. B. 17. B. 18. D. 19. D. 20. A. 21. A. 22. C. 23. D. 24. D. 25. C. 26. D. 27. D.